In this video, I will show you all the products you need as a tattoo beginner to get started, and I will also explain step-by-step how to set up your perfect workstation in a clean and professional way. Together with my partner Murostar, I have created a complete set that includes the exact products I personally use in my daily work. And with my code fanitattoo, you get 10% off all products in the shop, while ordering the complete set also gives you free shipping. However, every product is also available individually, and you can find all the links in the video description below. To prepare my workstation, I completely wrap the table with barrier film or plastic wrap in order to create a clean and protected surface that keeps ink, blood, and contamination away, and also allows for a quick and safe cleanup after the session. After that, I place a medical underpad on top and secure it carefully so it remains stable and does not move during the tattoo process. I currently use the green soap ready to use from 9-1 to gently clean the skin and remove excess ink and blood throughout the session. And before I start, I pour the green soap into a designated bottle, which I then wrap with plastic film to maintain proper hygiene and prevent contamination while working. At the moment, I am using the Fold Pro from Dragonhawk, although there are many other machines available in the shop, and the choice ultimately depends on personal preference. Once the machine is fully wrapped, you can see that I am still able to adjust both the stroke and the needle without any issues. And I finish by adding grip tape to the grip section, where the thickness is entirely up to personal preference, even though I personally prefer wrapping it rather thin. To rinse the needle during the session, I use 2 plastic cups by cutting one in half, creating small slits in the plastic and sliding them into each other to form a stable insert that prevents the cup from tipping over while I am working. When tattooing on real skin, I fill it with distilled water, whereas on fake skin, regular water works perfectly fine. I use paper towels to wipe away ink and blood during the tattoo, and together with green soap, they help me clean the skin properly while keeping my entire workspace clean and organized, because without them, it would simply not be possible to work in a professional and hygienic way. I currently use this Vaseline because it comes in a larger container, which helps reduce packaging waste, and I always take some out with a wooden spatula and place it on my workstation. Since for hygiene reasons, you should never reach into the original container while wearing gloves. I use ink caps with a diameter of 11 millimeters, and I place a small amount of Vaseline underneath them before setting them onto a wooden holder so they stay securely in place throughout the session. For solid black, I currently use Ganga Black from Dynamic Color, and it is very important to always shake the ink thoroughly before use to ensure the pigments are evenly mixed. For my Greywash, I either use Sumi 4 from IM Ink or Greywash 80 from Dynamic Color. And just like with black ink, it is essential to shake the bottles properly before using them. My gray tones consist of black, dark gray, medium gray, and light gray, which allows me to create smooth transitions and basically cover everything I need for my work. And I complete the mixes by adding mixing solution to achieve the desired consistency. After setting up the caps, I use a mixer with the appropriate attachments to blend the ink thoroughly, making sure not to touch the bottom of the ink cap while mixing, and this results in what I consider the perfect gray wash, which I have used for countless tattoos with consistently great results. White ink is usually a bit thicker in consistency, so if necessary, I add 1 or 2 drops of mixing solution to make it smoother and easier to work into the skin. The set also includes all the needles I use, and at the moment I work a lot with needles from Mast, especially the Pro 2 cartridges, which are currently my personal favorite. With a simple twisting motion, you can securely attach the cartridge to the machine, and once everything is wrapped properly, you can clearly see that no part of the machine remains visible, which shows that it is protected correctly. As a beginner, you can never have enough fake skins for practice, and I personally prefer using the ones from real skin because they are nicely elastic and feel very close to real skin. The stencil paper included in the set offers an excellent price-performance ratio, and for my workstation, I chose this Stencil Printer because it does not take up much space and works very reliably. Finally, these deodorants work better on fake skin than classic stencil products, but it is very important to remember that they should never be used on real skin. Simply apply a thin layer, press the stencil firmly onto the surface, and then carefully peel it off. And even though it may look very light at first, it will become much darker after a short time. Or, if you want to speed up the process, you can gently use a hairdryer to help it develop faster. Of course, you also need a sharps container to dispose of used needles properly, because they must never be thrown into regular household trash under any circumstances. This is what my workstation looks like once everything is fully set up. And if you are working on real skin, you will of course need additional hygiene products, which are also available in the shop. I truly believe this is the perfect starter set because it includes everything you need to get started right away. And if you use the code fanitattoo, you not only support me, but also save 10% on all products in the shop. All product links are listed in the video description below.